Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'll show you how to magnify zoom on CapCut. So when you see the magnify zoom effect, this looks really cool. So first things first, let's drag our media onto our timeline, and we have here a spider climbing on a web. And let's say we'd like to zoom in on the spider, but not the whole image. This is easy to do in CapCut. All you need to do is come up to the top here and select Effects, then search out for Magnify. You can have a few different ones here. We'll go with this circle magnifier here, so drag it onto your timeline. And you can see when you come over the magnify section, what we just dragged onto our timeline, it will magnify our screen. You can adjust the length, and on the right hand side you can adjust the size of the magnifier. Then you can move it vertically or horizontally, so you get the subject in position. So we'll move it so our spider is magnified. And what you can do is you can animate this. So our spider is moving, so we want our magnifier to move with the spider. So come to the start where you want to animate it. Let's get our spider back in position of the magnifier. So there we go. Then add a keyframe. Move the video on slightly. Then again move the vertical and horizontal as needed. The keyframes should automatically be added. Keep playing the video on, adjusting the vertical and horizontal to get the spider or your subject within the magnifier, and you just need to keep doing this throughout the video. I'll speed it up. So that's how to magnify zoom on CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.